In this video, we want to find the derivative of the function y equals 4 to the x cubed plus 2 quantity cubed. To find the derivative, we want to use a chain rule. So we're going to define u to be 4 to the x cubed plus 2, and then v to be the outside function, which is x cubed. So when I take the derivative of y with respect to x, that's going to be the derivative of y with respect to u times the derivative of u with respect to v times the derivative of v with respect to x. So let's take the derivative of each one. Let's start off with the outer derivative. So the outside is the x cubed, basically. So when I take the derivative of that, I have to bring down the exponent. So the 3 comes down. The inside stays the same. So that's 4 times x cubed, 4 to the x cubed plus 2, quantity squared. And then times, we want to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So let's take a look at the derivative of this right here, 4 to the x cubed plus 2. Obviously, the derivative of 2 is 0, so that's gone. And then the derivative of a function of 8 raised to the function is a, which a is a number, raised to the function times the natural log of a times f prime of x. For us, a is 4, f of x is x cubed. So we have 4 raised to the x cubed times ln of 4 times the derivative of x cubed. And so we're going to substitute that back into the expression. So that goes over here. That's this part right here. And then we can multiply. So we have 3 times 3. That gives us 9. We have x squared ln of 4 times 4x to the cubed times 4 to the x cubed plus 2 squared. And so that's going to be the final answer.